California.
I knew it.
Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California, until 10:15 a.m.
Aquí ya llovió, pero poquito. Mira, mira, vete para allá. Ahí vienen carreras sobre mí.
Alright, checking myself for fire.
Republican senators over the last 2 days, which I did, working to try to get flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Appleton, El Dorado, Burns, Scarlet, Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 10:15 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Appleton, El Dorado, Burns, Scarlet. Between 0.02 and 0.10 inches of rain have fallen so far. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, widespread flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Appleton, El Dorado, Burns, Scarlet. Source, Doppler radar and automated gauges. Impact, widespread flash flooding of areas in and around the Appleton, El Dorado, Burns, Scarlet. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Redlands, Yucaipa, Forest Falls, Knox and Gorgullo, Highland, Beaumont, Salmon, Mountain Village, Highway 38, Yucaipa and Onyx Summit, National Oaks, Seven Oaks, Mentor, Hollow Mesa, Cherry Valley, and Morongo Indian Reservation. Flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Appleton El Dorado Burn Scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 10:15 a.m. At 9:37 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Appleton El Dorado Burn Scar. Between 0.02 and 0.10 inches of rain has fallen so far. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Appleton El Dorado Burn Scar. Source, Doppler radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Appleton El Dorado Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Redlands, Yucaipa, Forest Falls, Mount San Gorgonio, Highlands, Beaumont, Banning, Mountain Home Village, Highway 38 between Yucaipa and Onyx Summit, Angeles Oaks, Seven Oaks, Mentor, Kali Mesa, Cherry Valley, and Morongo Indian Reservation.